The word malaria is actually originating from the old Italian mal aria for bad air. Malaria was always present, also in Venice. And apparently the people of Venice designed already their canals in such a way that there was sufficient water flowing through the channels just to make sure that there's no outbreak of the mosquitoes.
A couple of years ago, I was approached by a South African trainee, and she asked me if it would be possible to detect malaria with the ATFIAT 2120. Malaria affects about 200 million people a year, and about 400,000 people die each year because of malaria. If you could read all the data hidden in the blood, then you could almost see what's going on inside the body.
Therefore, analyzing blood cells could unveil a lot of information. Now, the machine we are talking about is capable of providing 500 parameters of blood. And it does so with 120 samples per hour. And one piece of that information is now related to our case, and that is malaria detection. So the gold standard of malaria detection is a so-called smear analysis. You take a drop of blood, you place it on a glass slide, and then you look for the pathogens in the red blood cells. But this is a cumbersome work, and it requires very skilled personnel to do so.
What I did, I looked at the data and I compared all those 500 parameters from infected and non-infected samples and incorporated them into an Excel file. So I got a real big amount of data and I could make a rule out of it.
Then we took the data and we did the deep dive, and we identified more than 30 parameters of our machine, which allowed us to discriminate malaria from non-malaria samples. We can now automatically detect malaria with a sensitivity way beyond 97%.
So it shows that a salesperson like me with analytical skills can really make the difference.
And making a difference with our machine means we aim for helping to prevent malaria infection.